Okay, we can use this same process if we're given 2 points in function notation. Okay, so we've got an x and a y for the first point and an x and a y from the second point. Okay, so our steps to find an equation of a line would be first find slope, second find the y-intercept, okay, and then in this case we're going to write the equation for our function. And we're used to writing y equals mx plus b, but we're going to write that in terms of a function, so f of x. Okay, first step, find the slope. Okay, so where did we get to for y? Minus where we started. And then where did we get to for x? Minus where did we start? And then that gives us 3 over negative 12, which is negative 1/4. Okay, next step, find the y-intercept. Choose a point. I'm just going to choose this one. The x value is negative 4, the y value is 6. So there's my x, there's my y. And the slope I just found is m equals negative 1/4. The x I'm going to use is negative 4, and the y is 6. Okay, so those are going to get put into y equals mx plus b. Here we go. 6 equals negative 1/4 times negative 4 plus b. So you get 6 equals positive 4 over 4 is just 1. And subtracting 1 from both sides, we get b is equal to 5. Okay, and now we're ready to write y equals mx plus b, so it would be y equals negative 1/4 x plus 5. Okay, but remember that f of x, that is equivalent to y, so you just replace y with f of x. And so the equation for our function would be f of x equals mx plus b, so negative 1/4 x plus 5. So we're going to write this in terms of f of x equals mx plus b if we're being asked to write it with a function. Okay, so that big idea is that y is replaceable with f of x. Those both mean the same thing.